Good morning, children. We will continue chapter 9, Australia. Today we will study about the rivers of Australia. Although Australia has many rivers, but children, these are the five major longest rivers of Australia. River Murray. River Murray is the longest river in Australia. It begins from Australian Alps and flows about 2,508 kilometers before reaching the Southern Ocean. This is Southern Ocean near Adelaide. It is located in New South Wales and South Australia. It forms the boundary between the New South Wales and Victoria. Darling River. This is the second longest river of Australia. It originates in the Great Dividing Range, and before meeting with the River Murray, it flows up to the length of 1,472 kilometers. Both these rivers, Darling and Murray River, these are vital for farming and irrigation. These rivers are also longer than any other rivers in the Pacific Triangle, which should not be surprising considering how large Australia is. Together, Darling and Murray River forms the Murray-Darling Basin, the land, or you can say plain area, which is drained by these rivers. Third river is Muram Beach, and it flows about the length of 1,600 kilometers through the New South Wales and Australian capital. This is Australian capital, Canberra. It is also a tributary of River Murray. The source of the river is at elevation of about 1,500 meters in the snowy mountains of New South Wales. Then Lashian River also flows through New South Wales and has a length of about 1,440 kilometers. It begins from the Great Dividing Range and its mouth is in the Great Kumbang Swamp near the Oxley in New South Wales here. Then the fifth longest river is Cooper Creek River in Australia, which runs through 1,300 kilometers from Queensland and South Australia. Its mouth is located at Lake Eyre. This one is Lake Eyre in South Australia. Now children, question I have for you. Which is the longest river of Australia? Which two rivers are vital for farming and irrigation in Australia? Name the tributary of the River Murray. Where is the mouth of River Lashian? Where is the mouth of River Cooper Creek located? Thank you, children.